like that. Station number 18. Oh, we got a nice view here, right? People are doing so many activities here. Like whatever you need, you have everything. You have pretty much everything here in Thailand. So we are waiting for another customer. For this guy there. So we have to pick the other customers as well, right? So that's why we have a big space here. Still I'm waiting. Wait. That's okay, man. Okay, so we are waiting for 3 people.
Hello. Football also? Basketball. Basketball. I love you basketball. Nice to meet you too.
It's telling one more hotel. Alright, so these guys from Saudi Arabia, really nice people. What is it?
From India.
From India. Okay, now we got the jungle vibe. Hi. This is the stuff. The weird. It's of the cup. Right. Oh, we got a nice view here, right? Look at that, man. Damn.
Video. Hello, Kai.
Kai. What a lovely view. Combo package. Yeah, so basically it takes like 2 hours. So I need to go now. This time is 6:25.
How you got now?
Motherfucker, I've been mortified, 45, feeling like a Mordecai. I ain't regular, feel like Jordan wearing 45. Traumatized, victimized, seen some of my die, knock you off a base.
The collection of papers. Okay, let's go.
Boy, tell that nigga he gon' pick a side. Hood ties from hood lines, my nigga doing dope lines. I'm running to the cops.
There's no point to be scared.
Running to the cops, that's the motto. I don't see it coming to an end like legato.
Oh, I don't know. Let's do this and see how it's going. 31 spots. So 1, 2, like that.
عندنا 5 مراحل بندور عليهم واحدة واحدة. اوكي 1 2 3 4 5.
Arabic, English, Hindi, whatever it is. Ready?
Yes.
Ready. Maybe film, just film.
Hey.
Hey, buddy. Alright, go freehand, right? Like this. Bro, go with this.
Okay, yalla. You ready, Willa? Yalla.
Thank you, brother. Oh, look at this. How cool it is. Okay, I have done the first one. Like a monkey, man. He's going like a monkey. Oh, not sure I can do that. Oh, fuck. Go. Woo! Look at down, man.
Okay lah. Hey.
Very adventurable. Go. Oh, that's so much fun.
Okay.
These guys making it difficult for. Station 7. How many stations do you have? 31? Yeah. 31, just 7.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
These guys won't want us to die.
Okay dah.
Right, thank you. Station 9. Go. Station 9, and I'm going to the 10. Now we need to do station 11. 31 stations. Crazy. Look at this banana. Look at this. This is a long one. It's not short.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Here we go. Man, look at the height. Fucking crazy. Station 11. All right, it's coming. All right, so now we need to go down from this hole. Yeah.
Okay, pull here to here. Okay. Woo!
All right, going down. Hey, man, that's crazy.
Oi.
Easy. All right,
Okay.
easy one. What is this station?
Okay.
12, right?
Station.
31 stations.